Hello everyone, welcome to Olive Estate, and today we are going to present a 3 BHK apartment which is approximately 1240 carpet area in Santa Cruz, Carolina, and this is the apartment. So you have a foyer area which you can include in your apartment. This way is your servant entry. This is absolutely a separate servant entry for you, entry and exit for your servants. Let me now show you the living. Please come. This is the living area. Look at the vastness of the living area. Let me take you to the balcony now. This is the view that you see from the balcony, entirely an open view, no obstruction in front of you. You also get to see the runway of the airport. You see the flights landing and take off from here. Totally an open view, very breezy apartment. The apartment is on the higher floor. It is a ready to move in apartment, as you can see. Let me now show you the master bedroom, number 1. This is the master bedroom with an attached washroom. Look at the size of the washroom. And this way is your actual bedroom. You've got 2 windows for cross ventilation. One window also faces the runway side, and the other window is actually facing the west. So you get a lot of breeze coming to your apartment from here. You can feel it the moment I open it. It's very, very breezy. Plus you have ample of sunlight coming into your apartment. Lot of positive energy over here. Let me take you to the other side. So this way is your master bedroom number 2. This is also having an attached washroom. The fixtures are already attached. The wash basin, everything is in place in the washroom. And this way is your actual bedroom. The best part about this bedroom is that you have a balcony plus 2 windows for cross ventilation. So let me show you the balcony that is attached to your master bedroom. Look at the size of the balcony, it's huge. Plus in case if you want to remove this particular attachment over here, you can do that, and then you will have a running balcony from your master bedroom to your living room and vice versa. You also get to see partially the SCLR on that side. It's very breezy here. Plus another window for your cross ventilation facing the SCLR. Please come. I'll now take you to the common bedroom. Right outside the common bedroom is the common washroom. Just in case if you want to have 3 master bedrooms, it is very much possible for you to take this common washroom also inside the bedroom. This is the common bedroom here, facing the SCLR side. What you see in the apartment is what you get actually. So you get the fans, you get the lights, you get the fall ceiling done. You also get the copper wiring for your ACs in place. Now let me show you the kitchen. This way is the kitchen. As you see, the modular setup is already done for you. This entry is for your servants, exit and entry. This will take you outside the apartment, which I showed you at the beginning of the video. So this is the kitchen with parallel platforms, as you can see, 2 platforms on either side. Plus, you also have a balcony here. This is a dry balcony facing the west, so you have a lot of wind, breeze coming over here to dry up all your clothes. Plus, you have entire setup over on this side, which gives you a setup for your washing machine and all. You can have your detergents, etc. kept on the top, and the washing machine, the drainage is there, the water connection is there, the switch, etc. Everything is in place for your washing machine setup. So guys, in case if you're interested in this apartment, this is a ready to move in apartment. Okay, so in case if you're interested in this apartment, you'll have to get in touch with me on the number at the end of the screen. My name is Sana and I'm sure I will be able to give you a very, very good deal. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Olive Estate for more such videos. Thank you.